Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the journey of how billion chickens are raised and processed each year. From carefully selected hatching eggs to the final packaged meat products, we'll explore the steps involved in the chicken industry and how they're optimized for efficiency and humane practices. The process begins with selecting hatching eggs from breeder farms, which are disinfected using an organic mist to ensure cleanliness. The eggs are then placed into incubation units, where temperature, humidity, and gentle tilting are controlled to mimic the natural turning process. By day 18, specialized machines detect viable embryos, and only these eggs move forward. On day 19, the eggs hatch, and the chicks instinctively seek food and water. Unlike traditional methods, these chicks are immediately given organic feed and water to ensure they are nourished. After hatching, each chick is inspected, and any unhealthy ones are humanely removed. Once the chicks are 3 days old, they are carefully transported to the farm in climate-controlled trailers. These trailers ensure the chicks arrive safely, with optimal temperature and air circulation, minimizing stress. Upon arrival at the farm, the chicks are placed in spacious, clean environments with smooth cement floors. The farm is designed for optimal comfort, offering plenty of space for the chickens to roam. They enjoy natural sunlight with controlled lighting, and the temperature is carefully maintained to mimic a natural day-night cycle. They are fed a nutritious, all-natural diet made from 100% organic grains, with herbs like oregano to promote a healthy digestive system. When the chickens are ready for harvest, They are carefully caught by a team of workers who ensure minimal stress. The chickens are then moved to the processing plant, where they undergo slow induction anesthesia, a humane method using CO2 and oxygen to gently render them unconscious. Afterward, they are bled out and undergo a scalding process to remove feathers, followed by pin feather removal to ensure the cleanest product. Once processed, the chickens pass through advanced grading systems, ensuring that only high-quality birds continue through the production line. They are then cooled using an air chilling system, locking in moisture and enhancing tenderness. Finally, they are packaged, labeled, and shipped to retailers, ready to be enjoyed by consumers. In addition to whole chicken production, chicken nuggets are made from high-quality chicken breasts. These are cut, breaded, and then flash fried. The nuggets are then rapidly frozen to maintain flavor and texture, ensuring they're ready to be cooked fresh at home. The whole process is streamlined through advanced automation systems, allowing for minimal labor and maximum efficiency.